To see the latest videos first, subscribe to our Stange YouTube channel and hit the bell icon now. Everybody hates broken links. Broken links, that means on your website, if a particular link is not working. So if I am clicking on that link, it is showing, the browser is showing 404 error, that is page not found. Everybody hates it, including Google. So we will see how we can find it, how we can fix it. Hello friends, I am Sanjeev Mishra from Stange, and let's fix the broken links on your website. Now, there are so many websites on internet where you can see, you can find a lot of broken links. Sometimes the page was there and the webmaster who has designed the web page or the website, they had put a link either in the menu bar or the footer area somewhere, or whether in a blog article some link was mentioned, some services were mentioned, and then earlier it was working, but now it is not working because that particular guy who was having that services, they removed that page, or somewhere you redesigned the website and you removed that old pages. Something happened, and because of that the page is not working. In that case, your website is having a lot of broken links. That means people are going to that link and that link is not working. Now that situation is not good for user experience. So say for example, your potential buyer, your potential customer is visiting a site and then he realized that this page is not working. The about page is not working. The contact page is not working. Then he will again, go back to search engine or from where he had come, he will go back there and he will start searching for another website or some other services. So it's not good for user experience. At the same time, it's not good for your search engine optimization as well, because Google hates broken link, right? So if Google bot is coming to your website and it finds that there is a broken link on your page, it's not good for your search engine optimization. They will not love that situation. So it is very important when you are designing a website or when you are having a website for your business, it is very important to see whether you are having any broken links, and if it is there, go ahead and fix it. So first of all, how to find broken links? Of course, you can go and check your website, navigate to your website and see if all the links are working, but this is a very manual process, right? So to avoid that, what you can do, if you are using Google Chrome browser, go and find broken link extension or broken link checker extension for Chrome. Do this Google search, or I have provided the link in the description area. You can install that extension in your Google Chrome browser, and once you have installed it, you will see a new icon on the top bar of your browser. This is a icon, you can see it here, and if you will click on that, so what you have to do, you have to open the website on Google Chrome browser after that, and once the website is loaded, click on the A link or the A button which is there in the Chrome browser. Click on that button and it will start scanning your website. It will start checking if any broken link is there. If there is any broken link, it will show you in this area only, right? So there you will find all the broken links available on that particular page. Now move to the other page, and there also you can check if any broken link is there, right? So this is how you can find broken link. There are many other online tools available where they will take your URL and then they will scan the URL and they will report you how many broken links are available on the page. So it is a very simple process, very easy to do. Now once you have the broken links, what you can do about it? Now there are two situations or two solutions. One is go ahead and create those pages which are missing, right? If your contact page is not working, if it is throwing 404 error, go ahead and create the contact page. If the about page is not working, go ahead and create the about page. Now, if a particular page was there and now it is not there on the system and it is not required, in that case, what you can do, go ahead and redirect that URL. Now redirecting that URL, that means if somebody will click on that particular link, or if somebody will try to open that link in browser, he will be redirected either to your home page or to any other page which you want. So to do this redirection thing, if your website is on WordPress, you can go ahead and install a plugin called Redirection, and you can add the URLs over there to redirect. Otherwise, you can ask your webmaster who has coded the website, ask him to add a piece of code in .htaccess file on server. This is a bit technical, but you can ask your webmaster to redirect through htaccess file if the server is Apache, right? So go ahead and do that redirection. Okay, make sure that if somebody will click on that link now, he will be redirected either to the home page or any other page. Okay, so once this redirection is done, Google is not going to face any problem, right? Even if that link is still there on the page, even the user or visitors, when they will visit the website, they will not face any problem. They will go and they will get redirected. So they are not going to any 404 pages. And of course, if those links are not required to be there on the page, remove them from there. So after redirecting, remove them from the web page. So make sure that your page, your website, your web page is not having any broken link, because it is going to impact you negatively in SEO, as well as it is bad for user experience. So if you like this video, click on the like button, share this video with your friends, family and business partners. If you have any questions related to broken links or SEO, post in the comment area. Thanks for watching.